Hi, welcome back. I am Sonali, and on behalf of Miglani Realtors, we welcome you back to yet another property walkthrough. Now, guys, this is the ultimate destination of living right here in the center of DLF Phase 1. This is 502 square yards of complete, utter luxury. This one is going to blow you out of your mind, so get ready. Surprised? I told you, this is going to blow your mind. This is not one floor or a duplex or a triplex. This is one big massive bungalow, all done in a white palette that calms your mind. Space so massive that lets you breathe freely. As you walk into this massive bungalow, you're welcomed by this double height ceiling which showcases a Ladro chandelier. This is the ultimate when it comes to luxury, lighting, decor. Nothing gets better than Ladro. So as you walk in, you come towards this area, which is your formal living area. This is where you entertain all of your guests. And look at the wall right here. The wall has handcrafted design as the back wall. So it adds so much beauty, so much life to the entire room. You know, the entire house has been designed and decorated in a way that kind of brings together a modern yet a very cultural amalgamation. This is once again a huge French window right here. So you can see there's a lot of sunlight that shines through inside the living area as well, which by the way is the ground floor. So a long walkway. So the entire ground floor is basically your living, dining, a guest room and a kitchen. That's about it, with a powder room. So there's such a huge area which is your living area. It is loaded with 5 chandeliers. So you have 2 chandeliers in the living area. And then you come to the dining area. There is, of course, Italian marble and inlays through the entire Italian marble. This is where your dining area comes. I think it can accommodate about 12 to 18 people on the dining area itself. 3 chandeliers that are going to accentuate this area. Once again, we've changed the feel a little bit. Here you can see the back wall has entire mirror work on it. Again, lacquered mirror, regular mirror here. So mirrors always add a lot of depth. They just make the place look even more grander and bigger. So here you have a special bar area that has been created right next to your dining area. So this is where you can entertain all of your guests. This is your bar, dining and the living area. I love the attention to the detail. So the entire house has VRV installed, which means cool in summers and warm in winters. Along with this, there's a special feature in the VRV. There's a perfumery that has been attached in the VRV, which means throughout the day, the entire space is going to have a beautiful fragrance to it. Isn't that amazing? Now the house has a lift as well, which connects it from the basement to the terrace. So you have a lift feature right here. This is a Schindler lift, but today for aesthetic reason, we are not going to use the lift. We are going to use the staircase. Now look at that staircase. It's so grand. It gives such a beautiful vintage feel. So the entire house has a neoclassical feel to it. Again, Italian marble through the entire staircase. It's lit, and this railing has especially been designed by hand. It's handcrafted by wrought iron. Now this is gorgeous and I love it. After the dining area, let me take you to the guest bedroom, once again located on the ground floor. Do you see the height of the doors? See, the ceiling height plays a very important role in making any space look grander than what it is. So here it is, once again, a luxurious guest bedroom. These are the French windows right here. You get a beautiful view outside, and the entire place again has been done so beautifully, neoclassical. Lots of work has been done on the ceiling. This is all handwork, handcrafted ceiling. And then of course you can see all of these designs, vintage designs. These have been again carved by hands. I love it. Let's walk in. This is the washroom for your guest. Once again, Italian marble has been used. Complete storage cabinets have been designed. There's a walk-in closet right here, to a lot of space to store your stuff, anything that you need. Again, a shower cabin, and only premium fittings have been used by Kohler. Adjacent to the guest bedroom is the powder room. Of course, you want your guests to have their own privacy, right? So this is a powder room for all of your visiting guests. Here it is. Big in size, massive. Look at the way it's been designed. I love the mirrors with metal carvings on the side. Once again, only Satvario has been used throughout the house in the washrooms and bedroom floorings as well. Let's go up to the next floor. And with this, we come on the first floor. So this is the passage area. Just look at it. Well designed, well lit, huge space, ventilated, brilliant. Now this is where you walk in. And when you look at the passage walls, look at that. Once again, the neoclassical touch. You have the hand-carved moldings right here with cornices on all four sides. So these have been specially designed to give more aesthetic value to the entire space. As we walk in, this house has two master bedrooms. Let me start with the first one. Entering into the first master bedroom, and it feels so special. Just look inside. The area, the space that you get, the way it's lit up, the entire beauty, the way the whole space flows and the way it is connected. Now look at that. These are the French windows. You can just look down into the lobby area. So this is where your Ladro chandelier shines through. Now this is another one, again gives you a beautiful view of the room that is right across it. I love the way it's been done, and look at these windows that have been finished with brass arches. This is the antique finish. Now when you look here, this is an island bed that has been pre-designed for you. So this is right here in Italian marble. So the bed comes right here, so it gives you a lot of space. Again, another element that makes this room special is this. These are customized wallpapers on canvas, and they look absolutely stunning. VRV system installed through the house. You have magnetic lights, all sorts of lights to light up this area. But believe me, we are here and we haven't switched on the light. This is natural light that is flowing through this window. There's a balcony right outside, so just look at that. I love the finish of the balcony. It's so royal, it's so luxe. I'm not done yet, I still have to show you the master washroom. This is where I welcome you. Once again, huge, massive, brilliant. You have an island tub right here. You have a separate shower area and a separate washroom area. The shower area also has some of the most premium fittings from Kohler, and steam sauna is also available. In the basins, you have his and her. Quite obvious when you're living in such a huge area. But here is the most favorite part of mine. This is the place that I want to look forward to. This is the place I want to spend my maximum time, because this is the walk-in closet every woman dreams of. Just take a look around. European themed, completely white with PU finish, and then you have lacquered glass all around. A special dressing area. Once again, lots of storage drawers right under it. Perfect for any woman who loves to shop, dress up, and live life to the fullest. Let's go ahead. And this is the second room. Come on. Now as you walk in, we've tried to give a different flavor to every room. Again, very interesting, unique, yet very simple, and every corner drips of elegance. This is the back wall, which has a crest on it with a wallpaper. And again, pre-installed drop-down lights are right there. Again, extremely ventilated. You can see the balcony right outside. The sun is shining and it seems like you're in the perfect place. Let me show you the closet area. So this closet is slightly more wooden feel. So you can see there's brown lacquered glass, there are metals. Let me take you inside the washroom again. What I love about the washrooms are the kind of space that is at. Automated toilet seats from Kohler. You have a his and her, and once again, a huge shower area. Every room has a tub, jacuzzi, and his and her. Not bad. We come to my favorite part of the house, which is the royal kitchen right here. Designed in white, you can see that a lot of French windows have been used here. So a lot of sunlight can come during the day, and it feels very open, very ventilated. White gives it a very spacious feel. You have an island kitchen right here, and all of the accessories have already been installed. So pre-installed hob, chimney you have right there. You have a big size of oven, microwave. There is a big space here for a 2-door refrigerator for you, and you can also see enough and ample storage has been given. So now a few colors have been used, like you have the brown lacquered glass, you have the hob and chimney, which bring about the black again against the white. So contrasting colors have been used, and look at the kind of space that has been given for storage. So you just simply cannot run out of space here. There's so much space here, there's space right here, there are counters. So you can sit here, talk here, relax here while you do your cooking. Now this also can be your show kitchen because the actual service kitchen is back there. This is your service kitchen. So now separate area, separate hob chimney has been put out there. So for your real cooking, all of those masala, spices, smelly cooking, all of that can go there. The dirty utensils can go there. और आपके जब भी guest आए, you can welcome them in this kitchen, which is going to be white, spick and span and shiny. And everyone, believe me, is going to be jealous कि भाई तुम अपने kitchen को इतना साफ कैसे रखते हो? We know the secret because we have a secret service kitchen right at the back. This is very essential in days today when you want to just have a perfect feel, perfect house and perfect look. This is the passage that connects us to the third room as well. Once again, a beautiful room right here for you to see. As you walk inside, it has similar specifications as the other two rooms. And with this, we're ready to walk into the lounge area. But before that, this is the lift. You can take the staircase or you can use the lift as well. This lift gets you straight into the family lounge area. Come on in. Once again, very European, very neoclassical. The place is set, the counters are set for you to display all of your family pictures or whatever. There's enough space for you to place sofas, your television set, and look at the greenery outside. This is the back side of the house, yet so lit, so airy, so ventilated, with the green carpet adding to the green vibe of the entire space. This here happens to be a kitchen attached to the lounge area. Now, why do I call it a kitchen? This is a full-blown kitchen, loaded with all of the fittings right here. You have the half-lay hob, the half-lay chimney, you have the microwave, the oven right here, so much storage up and so much storage at the bottom. Not only this, there's a split AC right here and a separate washing area. Now, that's what you call a complete kitchen, isn't it? Let's go to the second floor. I'm coming to the second floor और यहाँ पे भी मैंने staircase use करी है. You know, when you have such beautiful staircase, why would you take the lift? बिल्कुल royal feel आ रही है. It feels like you're in a palace of some kind. It's so pretty. I assure you, if you live in this house, आप lift कभी use नहीं करोगे. आप ये staircase ही use करोगे. They are extremely comfortable, very big in size and so beautiful. As you walk in once again, हमने क्या किया है? We've tried to give this floor a slightly different feel. You walk in, this is a common lounge area once again. If you want some guests to come up, you want to keep it personal, you just have 4-5 friends coming in, this is a perfect area to entertain them. But what is going to truly win your heart is our master bedroom. Now, this master bedroom is 900 square feet. Yes, उतना लोगों का घर होता है यार. This is just a master bedroom. So let's walk in. I don't know how to express the elegance, the beauty, the class that is dripping through this entire area. Just look at this space. This is your master bed area. Now, if you want to know how this entire space is going to look, here is a small picture that can show you the kind of way you can design this room. Now, just look at that, how beautiful. This could be a lounge area. Again, there are massive French windows right here. You can just see the kind of ventilation that is coming. There's no light that has been switched on. This is your second French window that takes you into your massive balcony. Come on, let's go out. Now again, extremely detailed. When you look at the balcony, just look at the flooring of the balcony. There are inlays in the marble as well. Just look at that. You have the sun shining through. You have just the perfect area. Actually, this area is enough to kind of host another 10 guests right here. So if you just want to have a small party, this balcony is open for you. And again, airy, ventilated. This happens to be your personal dressing area. Once again, complete white, serene. It reflects not your personality, but a status that you have for yourself. So this is the area where you can store all of your clothing, your bags, your shoes. This is his. This could be a her. There is a dressing area that is right here. This is your island storage area. This is perfect for putting those watches, those jewelry pieces right here for yourself. But I'm not done yet. The chandelier adds more beauty to this entire room. Again, as you walk into the master washroom area, you see that there is a jacuzzi right here for you. It had to be a his, a her, a big shower cabin. So again, everything here is uber luxe. Only Satvario has been used throughout the room, throughout the washroom area, and you can see the best of fittings have been installed. After that absolutely divine walkthrough of the master bedroom, it's time for us to go into the next bedroom. Again, this floor has 3 bedrooms on it. This is the second bedroom. Now, what is so special about is there is lavender Satvario, which is extremely rare, that has been put on the entire flooring, and just to match the color of this entire stone and marble that has been used, we have a customized wallpaper right here on canvas. One, I love paints and I love how the culture, the tradition, the beautiful peacocks and the entire canvas has been created. It just gives such a happy feel. And while you look at the canvas, just look at the French window and the view outside. Again, lots of green, ventilation, air, sunlight. Now we move on to the third bedroom. This is yet another space for you. Again, so many bedrooms. So this is actually the 6th bedroom that we are covering right here. Once again, ample space, big area, lots of greenery outside, running balcony, airy, ventilated, and there's a huge walk-in closet and a master washroom as well. So again, you have a tub here which has jacuzzi features. You have Kohler fittings once again. You have wall mirror here which is inlit. So I love this LED lighting and the way they've used the lights, the right kind of fittings. I think it just adds so much, luxury to the entire space. And it's a necessity to have a pantry on every floor because you don't want to keep going up and down just for those little things. But the pantries are also very big. They have lots of storage space. Every pantry has a washing area. So once again, very convenient. So I love this pantry idea. After this, I'm going to be taking you to the top floor, which happens to be the terrace. And if you think what you've seen till now has been amazing, then get ready for something fabulous. No, I'm not in Greece right now. I am still in the bungalow in DLF Phase 1. And this is the terrace. Oh my God, it is beautiful. Just look at the vibe, the colors, the way it's been designed. Now the terrace has been segregated into 2 parts, indoor and outdoor. Now this is your very own personal bar lounge that has been created. This is already here, ready for you to take care of your guests, invite them and have a big huge party. Now look at the flooring. Once again, there is marble that has been placed here. There are inlays. It's been designed perfectly. Again, well lit. The windows are there with metal bars on the sides that add even more beauty to it. Right across the bar area, you have a special room. Now you can convert that room into your gym area, your spa area. But you know what? Let me not open the surprise. We have another space. We have created a spa, a massage room, a steam room, everything for you. I'm going to get to that later. But for now, this area is just perfect for your gymming, and this is super perfect as a bar area. Why? Because when you look out of your bar area, this is the place where you enter. As you exit the bar area, you have an adjoining space right here, again dressed up in white. The entire roof is glass and white again. So again, no problem if it's raining, if it's windy, it's dusty, this area still remains clean. Now you can convert it into your party zone. But what I love is, once again, the feel that has been given. The entire roof, because it's such a big size, you have an outdoor seating area. This is your customized water body. So this is where your cascade flows. Again, it has been designed specially for this house. You have outdoor seating furniture that has been placed for you. This is customized turf that has been created here, gives you a lot of greenery in the space. And when you look around, a lot of privacy has been created on both the sides with the plants that have been placed, the colors of the flowers, they are so beautiful. I think everything has been designed keeping in mind taste, elegance and lots of passion to design a space. Walking down which simply means कि अब हम basement में आ चुके हैं. But this basement is nothing like your regular basement. There is enough sunshine, ventilation and much more. So you walk into this huge hall that can be turned into a party hall area. But before we move into the fun part, let me also show you something very different, very unique, very exceptional here. We walk out and this party hall is connected to your very own personal plunge pool. As you walk into this plunge pool area, so there's again a huge lounging area right here. Isn't this absolutely brilliant? Just look at that. So there's so much that you can do in the house. The house gives you everything. और अगर swimming pool हो और उसके साथ में steam and shower area ना हो तो ये तो house incomplete हो जाएगा. But we've thought of every single detail. So come on in. Let me show you a spectacular area. So right next to this swimming pool, your plunge pool area, we have one of the most beautiful wash and change areas. Now this space has your own shower cabin, it has your steam, sauna, massage room and so much more that you can use here. Now this is your personal space where you would like to come, relax, unwind, but there is so much more. When we talk about unwinding, we also need a few more amenities. I want to show you those. Space के साथ साथ कुछ areas भी जरूरी है जहां पे आप अपना personal entertainment कर सके. And when it comes to personal entertainment, हम सबको Bollywood बहुत पसंद है. So this is your own private cinema hall. Yes, 12-seater lounges just for you and your family to come in and enjoy entertainment movies like never before. This is your space where you can entertain your friends, the children and so much more. This is my favorite area. सिर्फ popcorns की कमी है and I am ready to spend the day here. So इतने बड़े area में one washroom is definitely not enough. So here is another powder room for you right here. Again designed in white, extremely elegant, very classy. And right next to it is your pantry. For your own little need, you're right here. Convenience is of utmost importance. So there is your pantry, storage, washing area, everything organized for you. A separate mandir and office space has been created. Also, there are 3 servant quarters and a guard room. All of them have a separate entry, which means that none of those areas are connected to the main house. You can feel safe and secure in your own house. Honestly, this has been one of the most beautiful properties that I have done a walkthrough for. This property has won my heart. This truly is the ultimate destination. If you are looking for a home, it cannot get better than this. ये एक ऐसी property है जो कुछ बहुत ही बड़े luxurious apartments को टक्कर देती है. This actually gives competition to some of the biggest high-rise apartments that you have today. So this is not a home. This is actually not an extension of your personality. This place actually is a status symbol. Once you come here, I think the home, the house says it all. Well, this house is available for you to buy. If you are interested, make sure that you call us on the numbers mentioned below. Your one call can make all the difference. We help you find your dream house at Miglani Realtors. And if you're not yet, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such amazing, superb videos of the properties that are truly raising the bar in Gurgaon. Till we meet next, I am Sonali signing off. See you all soon.